Today we are going to Ellis Bird Farm with my grandma.
Let's see at Ellis Bird Farm.
Birds? Ellis?
You're pretty funny. Yeah, we're going to see some birds, and you're probably going to sit on something. What do you think you're going to sit on?
Hairs?
No.
Tractors.
Yeah, there's some old tractors there, and there's that pond that you can fish minnows and stuff out of. Yeah, and there is probably going to be a garter snake in the center. So here we go. I see Grandma. Here's Grandma.
Two.
It is pretty fun.
Out of the shell. See the horns on top?
Yeah.
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 Mm-hmm.
What if I touch the shell?
Well, you totally could.
Touch it. They're okay. He'll just go back inside. That's his house.
Ew, look at that long thing, Owen. Is that the bloodsucker?
Yeah, the leech.
Oh, yeah?
What is it?
That is a red-tailed hawk, and that's a bald eagle.
I think it's red-tailed.
Pretty nice.
What's going on?
Oh, look what they did to the broken pots over there. Yeah. Careful where you're stepping there.
And then, that's the short walk. You just walk the
Oh. Look at her hair.
Was he trying to eat my hair?
Yeah.